Okay, so what we've done is we went ahead and filled up each jar. Here, I'll just do one of them. We filled up each jar with clean water, quarter cup of beans. We've done it for 5 cases. We've got pinto, navy, black, chickpea, and red kidney beans. So they're there. So we're going to let those go overnight. And in the morning time, we'll pick back up and show you the next step of the process. Okay, good morning, y'all. We got, the beans look a little different. They've almost filled the entire jar. These beans have been drained of the liquid and we put salt in them. These are ready to be putting lids on. This has fresh water and salt. And then we're going to do vinegar on the rim, even though there's nothing really sticky on it. I'm just doing it as a precaution. Lid and jar and ring these and get them in the canner. And you can see these chickpeas they've come up a lot. So have the kidney beans. So black beans are next to be put clean water in. And then we've got chickpea, kidney, and pintos are left. And trick of the trade, Pampered Chef. If you know a Pampered Chef person or go look for these at the Goodwill or whatnot, this is the best thing to drain the liquid out of canning jars. Next on the list, we've got the canner ready. This is the 41 quart All-American canner. It's the big one. It is an investment, but if you can swing it, do it. We've got a gallon of water in the bottom with the rack. And we're getting ready to prep the edge with Vaseline and then start loading the canner. Okay, we're going to save the how to work an All-American canner for a later date. Just wanted you to see that we've got kidney beans left, chickpeas, and some pinto beans left. We were able to get 29 pints, regular mouth pints in here. So right now it's 9:44. So we're just turned the fire on. So we're heating it up. So it's 9:44 in the morning. So we'll let you know. We'll come back whenever I'm taking the lid off after the process has happened. So beans in pint jars take 75-minute processing time, but that's just the timer for the process. So it's going to take some time to get this up to temperature and bring it back down. So just remember that, 9:44 a.m. and I'll bring you back whenever it's time to take the lid off. All right, little quick check-in. We have our steady stream of steam. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. And the time is now 10:38, so almost a full hour to get to this point. So now we're going to time it for 10 minutes to vent. And then we'll start our can and we'll start letting it come up to pressure. All right, we're checking in. Gauge is at 0. We'll pull that off in a minute. And it is 1:01. So yes, that has been 3 hours and 15 minutes. So that 75-minute processing time took 3 hours and 15 minutes. All right, we'll bring you back whenever we get all the jars out.